Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the format of any cell. So let's say if I want to add a date format, so all you need to do is format number. Then there are a couple of options you can add always. So there is a plain text format, automatic format, or number, percentage, and then date, time. So if you add date, time, so it will automatically converts into date and time. So let's say if you want this format to be plain simple text, what you can do is number, select plain text. If you want so it will be converted as a text, so you can easily write any text, then you won't feel any difference, or it will be simpler for you. So let's say if you want to add a different format, you can play around with these formats. You can play around. Let's say if I want to add percentages, so it will add percentages to it. If I want to add, again go back here, and let's say if it is a accounting related or currency related, let's say currency, so it will automatically convert this into dollars. So let's say if it is related to date and time, again let's say this time we will consider this as a time, so it will automatically convert this format as a time. So you need to mention like what time it should be manually, then it will capture over here. So that's how you do it. You can change the format of your cell. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much.